Top 5 unexpected bird sounds you never heard. The last one will make you terrified. Comment which one you've ever heard. But first, you'll have insane amount of luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until the video ends. Number 1. A wild toucan. Next, the gartered Trogon. Yep, they don't open their mouth. Next, African pygmy falcon. Don't let the size fool you. Next, the lesser prairie chicken. Yep, definitely not chicken. Next, baby cockatoo chicks. That's look like me when I'm hungry. Comment down which one you think is shocking.